In this video, we're going to break down how to use Salesforce for event management, giving you a quick and actionable explanation of how this powerful tool can help streamline your processes. Whether you're organizing large corporate conferences or small networking events, Salesforce offers a ton of features that can elevate your event planning game. Stick with me until the end because we're also offering a special bonus and you won't want to miss it. Now, first things first, let's dive into the core functionalities that make Salesforce such a useful tool for event management. Next thing, Salesforce allows you to manage all your event details in one place. From attendee lists to registration forms, you can easily track every aspect. With custom fields, you can gather any information you need from your event participants, making the registration process as smooth as possible. You can even set up automated emails to confirm registration, send reminders, or thank attendees after the event. This helps you stay organized and keep your attendees engaged. Moving on, Salesforce has excellent reporting features, which are crucial for event management. With just a few clicks, you can generate detailed reports on event performance, like the number of registrations, attendee demographics, and engagement levels. This helps you make data-driven decisions for your next event and measure your event's ROI. Whether you're tracking ticket sales or session signups, Salesforce makes it easy to keep tabs on everything. The fourth thing you'll love about Salesforce is its integration capabilities. You can integrate your event management tools with other platforms you're already using, like Zoom for virtual events, or marketing automation tools like MailChimp. This means you won't have to juggle different software to get the job done. Everything works seamlessly within Salesforce's ecosystem. Another great feature is the ability to automate tasks. For example, you can set up workflows to automatically assign tasks to team members or trigger follow-up actions after an event. This automation can save you hours of work, allowing you to focus more on your event and less on manual tasks. And here's the best part. Salesforce also provides tools for post-event engagement. You can follow up with your attendees through targeted emails, surveys, and other personalized content to get feedback and keep them coming back for your future events. This kind of personalized engagement can turn one-time attendees into loyal supporters or repeat customers. If you're wondering how to get started with all of this, don't worry. You can use Salesforce for event management for completely free from the first link below, and we're offering exclusive bonuses to make this setup even easier. So to recap, Salesforce helps you manage everything from event registration and attendee engagement to post-event follow-up and reporting all in one place. Whether you're planning a small webinar or a large conference, Salesforce has the tools you need to streamline your workflow and improve your event's success. Don't forget, as a viewer of this video, you get exclusive access to an extended free trial of Salesforce. Click the link below and start using these powerful tools for your next event, risk-free.